Astrologye Namaha. Okay, let's get into this video about Saturn direct, when time stands still. Now, Saturn will start stationing and turning direct on November 15th, but it will be stationed from November 10th to the 19th, so at that same degree. So this is when major events will occur as the planet of time will be at its peak potent energy. At this time, Mars will be aspecting Saturn from its 8th aspect and Saturn from its 6th, which is very karmic. Saturn is setting up events that will unfold for the next 28 to 29 years until it reaches this point again. These events that occur during the station will lay the groundwork, as it is very important to be aware of the karma that we are creating for ourselves during this time. Now, karma is the cause and the effect of our actions from this life and the previous ones. Something can seemingly come out of nowhere, but it is never the case. There's always a reason, and that reason may come from our past lives. Saturn is the karmic teacher watching over us that wants the best for all of us and will push us in the right direction. Sometimes this is harsh lessons and sometimes great rewards. Saturn has been retrograding since June 29th of this year. So between then and November 15th, we were going back onto the events that needed to be reviewed or redone. Saturn entered Shawtee Nakshatra on October 3rd, where it will station direct at 18 degrees. On March 20th is when Saturn was at this exact degree previously, 18 degrees. So events from around this time can come back into play. So you can kind of look back around that March 20th, I think till the 26th, around there, you probably see the same events. Now, Shawtee translates into 100 physicians, 100 medicines, or possessing 100 healers. This is all about health, physician, the stars, as in astronomy or astrology, and it can also mean possessing 100 stars. These stars are the lights you see when you look up. This can be from a point of view of a patient at a doctor's office, or a performer looking out into the crowd and all you see is lights. Because when you're on the stage, you don't really see the crowd, you just see the lights. It's those on a stage like Michael Jackson, for example, who had very few friends but many admirers. This is all about the circle, which is sacred as it's used for protection. This can be literally like a stage protecting you from the crowd, or a close circle of friends, or a close circle of people protecting your secrets. It's all about concealing secrets. These secrets may come out for some, but this depends on your karma. How you treated others will matter. Saturn is aspecting Mars in Cancer. How did you treat women or mothers? Because this can be a backlash in anger. How did you treat families or bodies of water? There can be problems in these areas as they may not feel safe. Now, I want to remind you that I am just reading what the chart says, and that I know that a lot of people are going to be like, yeah, that sounds like what's happening with Trump. And it does. And this is also something that I predicted in my Mars in Cancer transit as well. But I just want to make it clear that I am not involved in politics one way or another. I just read what's on the chart. Personally, if you ask me, it's all Maya. People are getting caught up in duality, and we should not get caught up in duality and ask politicians to save us from anything. Our power is internal. A healing is taking place in this pada. Some may have been reviewing health matters to find solutions. If these solutions did not come up during the retrograde, then during the station, they should come up so that you can move forward. Compassion can be highlighted towards humanity. Be cautious not to get intoxicated, because this can create great karma for yourself and inflict injuries. Because in this pada, it's all about intoxication, and then we have Mars aspecting that. So if you get too intoxicated, there's a chance that you can cause some kind of accident or death or injury or something that can land you in the hospital. So I'm warning you that that is not the time to lose control of yourself. Shawtee is also about the media and the lies that are spread. These lies may be exposed, and the ones during the pandemic, as this has to do with physicians. People are waking up and don't want to see this ever happen again. secrets in these areas may be revealed. We must remember that Saturn is also aspecting Scorpio, which is what's hidden, diseases, crime, dark intentions, the occult. Saturn is aspecting Aries as well, creating something new that can help you move forward, or creating an obstacle depending on your karma. Also, Saturn is aspecting Leo, the entertainment industry, children, leaders, celebrities, politicians in high positions. Some are already seeing their karma, as many are starting not to care about their influence. This is the beginning of what we will see when Ketu moves into Leo next year. Saturn in Aquarius is all about humanity and we the people. So the interest in the elite is not there as it used to be. Saturn will enter Purva Bhadrapada on December 27. And this is where we will move forward from a transformation that began this year from April 6th until October 3rd. So think back of what happened to you during that time. And then this is the conclusion. This is the moving forward from that. So that's just a little bit about what I see. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next one.